In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a 12-column grid in Figma. We'll go through this slowly and clearly so you can follow along even if you're fairly new to Figma. By the end, you'll have a clean, reusable 12-column layout you can use for websites, dashboards, or any responsive design. First, open your Figma file and make sure you're on the canvas where you want to work. To get started, you'll need to create a frame. At the top of the Figma interface, look for the frame icon. It usually looks like a box, or you can press the shortcut key associated with creating a frame, depending on your setup. Click that frame icon, then draw a frame on your canvas, or choose a preset frame size from the right-hand panel, like a desktop or mobile frame. This frame will act as the container for your grid, so pick a size that matches the type of layout you're designing. With your frame selected, take a look at the right-hand sidebar. This is where most of your layout and styling settings live. Here, you'll find an option called Auto Layout. Go ahead and click on Auto Layout. Even though Auto Layout is more about arranging elements inside the frame, it's a good habit to set it up when you're working on structured layouts because it helps keep your content aligned and responsive once you start adding components. Make sure the frame stays selected while you do this so the settings apply to the correct object. Next, we'll add the actual grid. Keep the frame selected and look again at the right-hand sidebar. Scroll until you find the section labeled Layout Grid. You will see a small plus icon or a button that lets you add a grid. Click on that and then change the grid type to columns. This is where you'll define your 12-column grid. Set the number of columns to 12, adjust the gutter width to control the spacing between columns, and set margins on the left and right if you want padding from the edges of the frame. Once you've set those values, you'll see the 12-column grid appear over your frame. You can now use this grid as a guide to place and align your designs consistently, making your layout more professional and easier to adapt to different screen sizes.